Hi guys, today's acrylic pour is on glass, so hopefully you'll get to see it being poured from underneath. Welcome to my channel with B.A.D, where you'll learn new tips and tricks. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. So I'm going to do a bit of a cloud pour using the tree ring method. Oops. Noticed there were a couple of lumps that went in there, probably didn't mix properly. So I'm using the Americano multi-surface satin. And that's Metalic Silver. I have a bit of a concoction left here from my previous pour, so might as well use that up. I haven't used any pouring medium or silicone. So that was just a quick one. I am not too happy with the way it's turned out. Unfortunately, I do see lumps. I'll try and get those out. But I think the whole idea was really so you could see the pour from underneath. I'll just get you out from underneath there and then show you what it looks like on top. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is the top view. I think it could have turned out better, but it's just an experiment for showing you guys how the pour is from underneath. Hence why I've used glass. It has got some really pretty effects. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.